Hello, head coaches. I'm creating this video so you know how to look up your assistant coaches and whether or not they have renewed their license, or if they're new to being a coach, have registered to be a coach with US Ski and Snowboard, and also how they're doing with getting their requirements in, such as their avalanche course, their safe sport, and if they need it, their background screening, because the background screening is every 2 years. So, how you do this is you log into your US Ski and Snowboard login, and from the dashboard page, you want to go under here under Tools and select Club Roster. From there, you'll see a drop-down menu and scroll down until you find Arrowhead Ski Team. Submit, and then a report will be ran, and this is what you'll see. And this is up to date as of today. So it looks like 153 members are associated with the Arrowhead Ski Team, and that could be athletes, coaches, and volunteers. The reason why this is so helpful is for you as coaches. Let's say you are a South Series U14, YSL, U16 coach, and your athlete only has the general license, but they need a competitor's license. Then you're able to look that up to make sure that they have the correct license, and then inform them that they need to upgrade so they can race at these races that we'll have, because I cannot register an athlete unless they have the correct membership, the correct license. So the basics are green for their name means they're current. They have renewed their membership, and anything that is required of them would be in red. So let's scroll down to Andrew here. Andrew has renewed his license, however, he has not completed his safe sport training. So until he completes that refresher course, and then for some coaches it might be the whole course if they're new, that will stay a red X until that is completed. Once it is, his name will turn to green and he will be good to go. Also, a reason for this, looking up your members and your coaches, is seeing whether or not they're level 100 certified, because that directly affects their rate of pay. And I have shared with you all this spreadsheet. It's the second tab under 2021 applicants. So from there, you would look at the zones of pay on the job descriptions. This one is Devo. Follow the guideline of these zones. And then here's comp team. And the zones there for comp team. If they have that level 100, that does affect what rate they fall in under the zone. So keep that in mind when you're looking up your coaches. So let's move on to the next page to give you a little bit more examples. Ron Dumar is a returning coach. He is level 100 certified. He has done his refresher course, but what I feel that the reason why his name is in red is because perhaps he hasn't completed his avalanche course. And because it's a new course, I don't feel like they've had it listed up here in the columns yet. So that is just my best guess as to why he has not, why his name has not turned to green. Hopefully soon we'll be able to figure out exactly why. The next one, Ben Hendrick, he is new to US Ski and Snowboard. He will be one of our SOTA coaches. He has gotten a license, however, he still needs to complete his safe sport training and also his coaching fundamentals because he is brand new. And he's done his background screening. So Mindy, you would be monitoring him and then waiting and looking up for these green check marks, and then you'll be in the know for where he's at with completing those. Tyson still needs to do his background screening. Until he does, his name will be in red. All right, I think that's pretty pretty much all that you guys will, or all the steps you need to know to figure out members and where they're at for their license for your athletes, and also for your coaches, if they have the right license for a coach, whether or not they're level 100 certified, they're active, and what they're missing. And then also, please don't forget to fill in the rates of pay here for your team and your coaches. It's super helpful for me in payroll and everything else. Don't forget to refer back to the job descriptions for those zones as your guideline. There's Devo and the comp. Let me know if you have any questions. Ciao.